Well, morning boys and girls, friends, enemies, whoever. I've been quiet because my father once said, being a wise old man, if you've got nothing sensible to say, shut the fuck up. And I've been isolating and with local restrictions, not really bothering to go anywhere. There's nowhere to go. A quick trip to the shop and back doesn't quite cut it, does it? Anyway, half hour ago I had my second jab. It's the Pfizer one. Oh, nice like that. Nobody lets anybody out anymore, do they? And it's no inconvenience to stop for 20 seconds. Anyway, if there are any adverse reactions, I will let you know, rest assured. Unless, of course, I have one of the famous blood clots and I'm dead, in which case, if you don't hear from me for a few years, give up. I would like to start making more vlogs. I would like to talk insanity. However, when you're locked down 24/7, even if I go for a stroll around the village, I never see anybody. There's nobody to talk to, so I don't get gossip. I'm certainly not bothering with social media because the crap that's on there, isn't there? You know, I read one thing, some woman's gonna sue some doctor because the needle was painful. What the fuck is happening to this world? Motorbikes. Would like another one. I would probably be looking round, but I don't have the money. I'd have to sell the car and then find a fairly cheapish. I might do once the sun shines. Might make me do something stupid, but at the moment I don't know. Is it an age thing? I'm actually very comfortable driving around in this whole thing. Sun shines, put the hood down and just enjoy the day. I probably could go, sorry, I'm chewing them in. I probably could go slightly further afield. Next week I'm definitely going to go over and meet my sister in her garden. If I was going to do it this week, but the bloody temperatures. Don't need to be shivering in the cold. But apparently they're going up a few degrees on over the weekend. Oh, I'm going to get past this guy. And if they do, I'll go and sit in her garden. Although, why he's doing 30, 33 on a really empty road, it beggars belief. It's a 60 road. I'm talking gibberish, aren't I? I do that well. It's a skill I learned. I am looking at motorbikes. I am looking at costings. I suppose I could whack one on a credit card, that would be no problem. I've got plenty of credit, but you've got to pay that shit back, haven't you? For now, I'm enjoying this car. It's comfortable. It's pretty sporty. It's got a good old lump under the bonnet, and you kick that throttle and it certainly picks up and goes. Which has almost got me in trouble a couple of times, as you can imagine. As summer seems to be dragging out, when it does arrive, that will probably motivate me. But then I've weighed up the pros and cons. Hood up and air conditioning on a hot day, or hood down. The motorbike was always hot and sweaty in the summer. Excuse me, I'm sitting in that bloody dry atmosphere. I was having a conversation with James. We both agreed that if you want to go somewhere local like the shops, or just pop to see each other, you've got to put all the gear on. You cook, take it all off apart from your trousers. It's starting to lose its appeal. Long distance journeys, yeah, full of gear, go, enjoy a whole day going up Scarborough. Absolute dream. But the majority, unless you can afford a car and a bike, which I can't, it's a nightmare. I need to win the lottery. That's what I need. And then perhaps I was hoping this guy in front might overtake the tractor, but he's happy doing 20 miles an hour. I suppose I should be as well. Not in a hurry to get anywhere. So I don't know. Oh, badly smashed Range Rover in there. Will I, won't I? Will I stick with the car? Will I get a motorbike? I can't afford to, there's no way. It's dilemma time. The thing about this is you pop to a shop, you throw things in the boot and come home. There's not the same thrillers on a motorbike, not the same enjoyment, but a lot less hassle. He's never going to overtake this tractor, is he? In a million years. See, I can still be an idiot. Just 20 miles an hour is a bit tedious, isn't it? That's the other thing. We've lost the art of overtaking in this country. Nobody will overtake any bloody thing anymore. You'll see a car doing 35, 40 and a 60 limit with 5 cars behind. And you give it some beans and go past all of them, they're shaking their fist. Overtaking, if it's safe, is allowed. Why do people get angry when you overtake them? Because they're crawling along. I'm just wittering now, aren't I? Anyway, point of the video, had my second jab. I will let you know if there are any side effects. If you don't hear from me, assume I'm dead or seriously ill, or I'm fine. If I'm only ill, I'll let you know. I will let you know. On this video I'll post a comment. That's it from me. I'm just going to fill up with some go-go juice, go back home and sit and stare out the window. I want to be able to visit people in their own homes in this weather. I cannot go and sit in somebody's back garden with a jumper and a coat and a scarf, and it's ridiculous. And I want to go and see my mate Jed up in Scarborough. I want to go and see him. We don't spend much time together, but an hour with Jed is like a week with anybody else. It's just brilliant. And that's what I miss. I miss going to my sister's and just walking in the door and having a coffee. We'll see. Let's see what the summer brings, guys. If you're still on two wheels, I'm jealous. You enjoy. And I will catch you later. Bye.